Hello everyone and welcome to my echo chamber. I hate echo in my videos. I hate bad audio. I absolutely despise it. That's the one thing about my videos that I think could just use the most improvement. So I picked up the Videomic Go. This is not the Video Micro, which is under $100 Canadian, which is super affordable. But it's just kind of small and they didn't have it in stock at the local camera store. So instead I went with this. It's a little bit more expensive. It was $130. So very affordable. The next step up is the Videomic Pro, not the Pro Plus, just the Pro, and it's like $300. So I'm not there yet. I'm not ready to spend that kind of money on a microphone. Really simple unboxing experience. If you have a TRS adapter, you'll be able to use this with your phone and stuff, which is really nice. There's a little stretchy cable there. And the actual microphone itself feels good. Comes with a little wind shoe. Let's take it off and see how it looks. So there is the mic actually at the front. Let's see if it'll focus in on there. It will. It feels pretty nice actually, especially given the price. Let's throw it on the camera and see how it sounds compared to this. This is the unedited audio coming straight out of my camera in this office. Let's switch it. 1, 2, 3. And this is with the Rode microphone attached. Hopefully I attached it correctly and this audio doesn't sound like garbage, but it should be picking up my voice a little bit better and a little bit less of the echo. But yeah, that is the end of this unboxing. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll do a review on this when I've actually had an opportunity to spend some time with it. Hopefully the audio is better. Peace. Yo.